Struggling to grow your hair past a certain length? Try this technique that I discovered a few years ago. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I aim to bring you videos on sustainability, minimalism, self-care and self-development. I mentioned this method in one of my previous videos very briefly, but today I'd like to go into the science of why and how this method works. You may have figured from my title that the method I'm referring to is the inversion method. This is a method that many claim has worked wonders on their hair and has helped their hair grow up to an inch in a week. The inversion method consists of 3 parts: a warm oil of your choice, massaging the warm oil on your scalp, and inverting your hair, which means going against gravity, for 4 minutes every day for 7 days. Now let's take a closer look at what's really going on. The human body loves anything warm. You know that soothing and comforting feeling you get when you're wrapped up all tightly in a blanket, all cozy? Well, that's the same way your blood vessels feel when you massage your scalp with warm oil. It's a small way to help your blood vessels relax. It's not a necessary step, as the massage on its own will help warm up your scalp, but this is just a bonus. It's hard to see the results of a scalp massage for 2 reasons. Firstly, it's a cumulative effect, so you must have patience in order to start seeing results. And second, you can't really tell what's happening beneath the scalp. With or without the inversion method, doing a gentle 1-minute scalp massage with 30-second breaks for 10 minutes will make a big difference for the better. Working through a small section at a time, stimulating the whole scalp. The word stimulate means to raise levels of physiological or nervous activity in the body or any biological system. So as you stimulate the scalp, the blood in the blood vessels rush blood faster to the hair follicles. It improves cellular function and cellular degeneration. It conditions the scalp, strengthens the roots, and even reducing stress according to Pacific College of Oriental Medicine. Gravity plays a pivotal role in how blood flows through our bodies. When we defy it by turning upside down for a period of time, we disturb our body's natural flow. A lot of the blood rushes to the upper part of the body, allowing more nutrients to flow than would under normal circumstances. Everyone is on the hunt for the newest trick on how to grow your hair faster. But this can be found in the simplicity of maintaining a healthy lifestyle through nutrient-rich diets and regular exercise. And this method may not be necessary, especially if you're suffering from glaucoma, low or high blood pressure, hernia, if you're pregnant, recently had a stroke, an ear infection, suffering from obesity or swollen joints, or even pink eye. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like more videos such as this one on how to grow those luscious locks, I'll link that into the description box below. Until next time, be the change you want to see.